Hey, good morning everyone. So before we get to our spotlight coin for this happy hump day, happy Wednesday everyone. First and foremost, I want to wish everyone safe travels on the East Coast. For those of you that are evacuating the Carolinas region, hope you guys stay safe. And there's nothing more important than your health and family. So wish you guys the best. I'll be hearing from some of you when you get back. And today we got a bit of eye candy. This was a piece that's sold on Great Collections on Sunday. And I'm going to talk a little bit about the coin, because some people are asking, well, is this artificial toning or is this something that's been made natural through encapsulation in maybe an album or some older type of non-acid free type of holder? Okay, that's a great question. So the coin right here is a Mint State 68. It's graded through NGC, probably top of the pack in terms of the population of the coin. But this is a coin that obviously came out of some sort of older, I don't know if maybe an album or again one of the back in the day they used to do these velour encapsulation presentation pieces that were pretty regular during the 50s all the way into the 70s. And it's those type of holders where you have the coin that's inside the holder and the backside of it would become almost terminal, you know, kind of like a grayish blue like you see on this one. And then you would have some pretty wild colors on the obverse of the coin. But I would suspect this is probably one of those old legacy type pieces. So the coin did sell for a great deal of money. I think that's the least important part of this because it does grade out so high. This one sold for $4,443.75. That's all the money in the world for this one. And if you guys want to follow in on the auction and take a look at the actual listing, it is auction number 621400 through greatcollections.com. So go ahead and check it out. But in any event, this coin right here, obviously it's one that you don't see too often. I think more people are more inclined to dip it because a blast white coin to some is a lot more appealing. However, to a wide variety of collectors that love originality, toning, they'd prefer to keep the original skin on this one, and that's why it sold for so much money. Now let's say, for example, a blast white example in the same grade came into the market. It would probably command about half the amount of money. That's how important the overall eye appeal is on the coin. I will say this, however, I'm kind of perplexed why it didn't get a star designation on the slab. It might have something to do with the fact that it's already a 68, so you know, maybe a star at that point might not be too meaningful, because companies like NGC and maybe PCGS, I'm not 100% sure, but they'll give a grade bump for the eye appeal of a coin as opposed to a star. I think a star is much more appropriate on coins that grade like maybe 64 to 66 as kind of an extra bump for that specific grade type. But when it's already a 68, you can't really get a whole lot better, especially for a coin that is exactly 60 years old. But in any case, truly magnificent piece. That's about all the time I'm going to spend on this one. Again, I'm your host, Blue Ridge Silverhound. Please like the video if you enjoy the content. You'd be doing me a huge solid. And subscribe to Blue Ridge Silverhound if you haven't done so already. Hit the bell for instant notifications down below. And as always, you guys keep hunting, keep searching, enjoy the hobby. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon, and take care.